It fell from the sky, and now we're trying to let it fly. So here, it's real. Look at it. Look at it. Look at its eyes.
What is it? Gosh.
It's freaking real. Look at it moving. All right. Are you ready to fly? You ready? Or are you gonna eat me? There it goes. It won't fly.
Freaking thing's so stupid. It doesn't even move. It's like
It's freaking retarded. All right, you ready? Ready. I'm gonna keep you as a pet.
Daniel.
Feed you to my
Yesterday he
cats.
bought a hamster cage. His mom doesn't let him have a hamster.
All right, dude. This bird's gonna freaking fly. Oh shit. Dude.
Oh, he's catching some height there.
All-time record. All right, birdie.
Throw him like straight up.
All right, you're gonna freaking fly. All right, this.
It'd be so bad if he doesn't fly. It looked like he did like a side flip.
I know.
Oh
Look
my.
at him. He's on the house now.
Wait, he is?
Yeah.
Where?
See him?
Oh. Camping it out?
I don't think he likes us. How'd you get there, bud? Spider webs all over his face. Oh, that's hot. You're hot.
Like how he doesn't even bother trying to get away from us.
You're so cute. He needs help flying. We're gonna help him. Alright, I'm gonna throw you straight up in the air now. You're gonna fly.